Hello guys, last week held the world's largest musical spectacles on earth. It's called the Super Bowl halftime show. Today we are ranking the top 12 Super Bowl halftime show based on the broadcast viewership. So stay tuned as we count down the top 12 most watched halftime show, the artists, the numbers, and the moment that made history. Number 12, Super Bowl halftime show. Number 47, 2013, Beyonce, 110.8 million views. Number 11, Super Bowl halftime show, 56, 2022, Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg, Eminem, Mary J. Blige, Kendrick Lamar, 112 million views. Number 10, Super Bowl halftime show, 46, 2012, Madonna, 114 million views. Number 9, Super Bowl halftime show. Number 48, 2014, Bruno Mars, 115.3 million views. Number 8, Super Bowl halftime show, 50, 2016, Beyonce and Bruno Mars, 115.5 million views. Number 7, Super Bowl halftime show, 51, 2017, Lady Gaga, 117.5 million views. Number 6, Super Bowl halftime show. Number 49, 2015, Katy Perry, 118.5 million views. Number 5, Super Bowl halftime show. Number 57, 2023, Rihanna, 121 million views. Number 4, Super Bowl halftime show. Number 60, 2026, the latest one, Bad Bunny, 128.2 million views. Number 3, Super Bowl halftime show. Number 58, 2024, Usha, 129.3 million views. Number 2, the special one, Super Bowl halftime show. Number 27, 1993, Michael Jackson, 133.4 million views. The number 1, Super Bowl halftime show. Number 59, 2025, Kendrick Lamar, 133.5 million views. Right, remember these ranking was based truly on broadcast TV viewership. Now we want to hear from you. Did your favorite artist make the list? Drop your thought in the comment below. Thank you for watching. We will back soon with more data and more stories. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and see you in next video.